Hello, everybody, and welcome to CAD 2131. My name's Scott Card, and I'm going to be your professor this semester. CAD 2131 is different than CAD 1134 in that we're going to be using a software package called Proteus. I know that you're all familiar with using Proteus in some of your other classes, but we're going to take a much closer look at using it as you would in industry. To date, you've been using Proteus to create small subcircuits and simulate them for some of your other classes. In this class, we're going to take those subcircuits and we're going to build a larger circuit. We're then going to create a bill of materials, lay out a PCB. We're going to order the materials from your bill of materials and assemble it. Once it's assembled, we can program it and test it. And I think that the Proteus portion of this class is really important to you in the electromechanical program because it allows you the opportunity to see what's inside your PLC. What we're creating is a controller. This controller has some inputs, some outputs, an HMI, some analog inputs, and does some rudimentary processing. So really, what we're seeing is inside your PLCs. And so it is very relevant, in my opinion, and I hope that you enjoy the electronics portion. The electronics students, they're in a CAD class called 1133, and you're going to share the content with them. However, you have an extra hour of class. Your extra hour of class is not necessarily just for Proteus, but it's to engage more in AutoCAD. Now, in CAD 1133 and the Proteus portion of CAD 2131, we do import and export from AutoCAD into Proteus. I show you how to do that. But we go one step further. We need to take a look at using AutoCAD to create an electrical panel. So we have a second project that we're going to create, and I'm going to draw on some of the things that I'm teaching you in the Proteus portion, specifically the sourcing and bill of materials, to create a project from the ground up in AutoCAD that would be very similar to what you would see in industry. So we're going to have a box, a PLC, a contactor, some fuses, a backplane, and we're going to assemble this and in 3D, as well as create a schematic from the ground up, a ladder logic from the ground up, and really stay really connected and familiar with using AutoCAD. All right. So a lot of work in this class. It's a 3-hour lab. So lots and lots of homework. And it's really important that each week you keep on top of your work. Don't fall behind, because each week builds upon the previous. And so if you start to fall behind, you're going to get yourself in a lot of trouble rather quickly. So if you find yourself in that situation, please contact me right away. Let me know your situation, and I'll do my best to get you caught up. All right. This is a really fun class if you engage properly. If you don't, it can become really daunting really quickly. And so I hope that you have a positive attitude about it and enjoyed learning as much as I enjoyed teaching it. All right. Questions or comments, please email me. Otherwise, have yourself a great day and enjoy. All right. Bye now.